So hey there, welcome back to another video, and in this video we'll talk about the best way to learn Python in 2023. There are many ways to that you can learn Python, and the best way for you will depend on how you will learn, you like to learn, and how flexible your learning schedule is. Here are some of the best ways to you can start learning Python from scratch today. So the first one is online courses. Online courses are a great way to learn Python at your own pace. We offer over 150 Python courses for all levels. From beginner to advanced learners, these courses often include video lectures, quizzes, and hands-on projects, providing a well-rounded learning experience. If you're totally new to Python, you might want to start with our Introduction to Python course. For those looking to grasp all the essentials, our Python Fundamentals still track covers everything you need to start programming. Top Python courses for beginners: Python Fundamentals, Skill Track, Python Programmer, Career Track, Introduction to Python, Python Data Science Toolbox, Writing Efficient Python Code. So tutorials are a great way to learn Python, especially for beginners. They provide step-by-step instructions on how to perform specific tasks and or understand certain concepts in Python. We have a wide range of tutorials available related to Python and associated libraries. So whether you are just getting started or hoping to improve your existing knowledge, you are sure to find topics of interest. Top Python tutorials. A Python tutorial for beginners: how to install Python, 30 code tricks for better Python code, 21 essential Python tools. Cheat sheets. If you are looking for a fast way to brush up on specific Python principles, cheat sheets are a handy way to have a lot of knowledge in one resource. For example, a Python cheat sheet for beginners covers many of the core concepts you will need to get started. We also have a cheat sheet for specific Python libraries such as Cbon and Skippy. It's like SciPy, which include examples, code snippets, and tips to get the most out of the tools. Top Python cheat sheets. Python cheat sheet for beginners: working with dates and times in Python cheat sheet. Python data visualization Bokeh cheat sheet. Importing data in Python cheat sheet. So here are the projects. Working on projects helps you utilize the skills you have learned already to tackle new challenges as you work your way through. You'll need to adopt your approach and research new ways of getting results, helping you to master new Python technologies or techniques. You can find a whole range of data science projects to work on at DataCamp. This allows you to apply your coding skills to a wide range of data sets to solve real world problems in your browser, and you can filter specifically by those that require Python. Top Python projects: 60 plus Python projects for all levels of expertise, exploring the history of Lego, investing Netflix movies and guest stars in the office, NYC Airbnb data analysis. So the next thing is books. Books are an excellent resource for learning Python, especially for those who prefer self-paced learning. Learn Python the hard way by Zed Shaw and Python Crash Course by Eric Mathers are two highly recommended books for beginners. These tools provides an in-depth explanations of Python concepts along with the numerous exercises and projects to reinforce your learning. So top Python books: Learn Python 5th edition, Lutz Mark, Headfirst Python, a brain-friendly guide, Barry Paul, Python Distilled, Developers Library, it's like Beasley David. Python 3, the comprehensive guide to hands-on programming, Python programming. So the top Python careers in 2023, as we have already seen, demand for professionals with Python skills is increasing, and there are many roles that require knowledge of the programming language. Here are some of the top careers that use Python you can choose from. The first one is data scientist. Data scientists are the detectives of the data world, responsible for earthing and interpreting the rich data sources, managing large amounts of data, and merging data points to identify trends. They utilize their analytical, statistical, and programming skills to collect, analyze, and interpret large data sets. They then use this information to develop data driven solutions to challenging business problems. Part of these solutions is developing machine learning algorithms that generate new insights, e.g., identifying some customer segments, automate business processes, for example, credit score prediction, or provide customers with newfound value, e.g., recommender systems. Key skills: strong knowledge of Python, R and SQL, understanding of machine learning and AI concepts, proficiency in statistical analysis, quantitative analytics, and predictive modeling. It's like predictive modeling, yes. Data visualization and reporting techniques, effective communication and presentation skills. Essential tools: data analysis tools, e.g., Pandas, NumPy, machine learning libraries,